What's up? It's your girl LJ, and I'm back with another juicing video. I am excited about posting these now because it's keeping me accountable with my juicing. So my big thing is I'm trying to get into finding things that help with my inflammation. So today I'm excited because look at these. We everybody loves berries, right? So 1 cup of raspberries, 2 apples, half a cup of blueberries, and 10 strawberries. So I already know this is going to taste great. Of course, you have what you consider like a tart. What we call it, like a tarty. Well, how you say that? What would we say? A tart taste. So what we have is like a tart taste with the raspberries. I'm hoping with the others, it'll kind of balance that out and really give it more of a sweet taste. So I'm excited. They've already been cut up and washed. So y'all ready? There you go. I'm going to start with, let's go with the raspberries. Here we go. Smells good. Wait till it stops today. Okay, so now we're going to do our half a cup of blueberries. Oops, and I probably had them turned the other way. Who needed them to? We'll just keep going in order. We'll put 3 in to start. Okay, here comes the juice. Okay, 3 more. So of course you guys know when juicing, it, you got to make sure you cut out any type of, depending on what fruit you're using or veggie, make sure you take the stem off or take the core out, any seeds. Okay. I mean, I'm not saying you didn't know that, but just in case. And last but not least, we have strawberries. I'm actually excited about these probably the most. I don't eat strawberries that much because strawberries sometimes can also be high in sugar, kind of like with pineapple. So I'm just going to put a few in there to start, but overall we're going to use 10. Oh, juicy. See, trying to be safe, but we're going to be here all day. Waiting for it to stop. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get all the rest of them in here. All right, you guys. Let me make sure all the juice is out. Okay. Let's see. How much did we produce? I'm going to say this is about 13, 14 ounces. Ooh. Are you guys excited as I am? Probably not because you don't get to taste it. But I'm going to tell you how good it is. Ooh, that looks so good. Trying to see what I smell the most. All right, you guys. What do I need? Okay, we ain't going about to talk too much. This looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, let's see. Now that's delicious. And I didn't even got to fake the funk with this one. Mmm, delicious. Put this in the refrigerator or over some ice. You in business. All right, y'all. The only thing I got to do now is clean up. But you guys already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and check me out in the next video. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching me juice.